In this video, I'm going to show you how to find your credit score on the Citibank app. All right, once you're here in the app, what you want to do is you want to go ahead and scroll down. And typically, you should be able to go ahead and find your credit score. So it's going to be underneath this section that says FICO score. So it is going to look something like this right over here, and it's going to give you like a little bar. So the number is between 250 and 900. So obviously, the higher your FICO score is, the better chances you have of getting loans, getting a mortgage, etc. So if you don't see a section like this, there could be multiple reasons why. Number one is that availability varies. So not all Citibank accounts display credit scores in app. It depends on your account type and whether you're using a Citibank credit card or a checking account. Also, some Citibank accounts include a complimentary credit monitoring through services like Equifax or TransUnion. And also, if you are someone who just recently got a credit card and you're realizing that your credit score is not popping up, that is perfectly normal. So typically you are going to need to wait between like 6 and sometimes even like 8 months in order for your credit score to actually be generated. So if you're in a situation where you just recently got a credit card and you notice that it's not here on the Citibank app, do not panic. If you're, someone who just got a credit card, you will need to go ahead and wait a little bit in order for your FICO score to actually appear. But yeah, so typically you should be able to go ahead and see it in this menu. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.